Good morning, children. How are you all? All of you are doing good in vacations? Vacations. Your vacations are so long. Are you people really enjoying your vacations? Being in home only, not going anywhere, not playing and not going to school also? How many of you like to come to school? Okay, there are few. Okay, many people. That means you people are missing school very much. So, you people cannot go to school right now. You know why? Because you are in home lock situation, and this is because disease is spread worldwide and you have to take very good care of yourself. And for that, you have, first thing, you have to be at home. Second, obey your parents. And third, maintain cleanliness around. And the thing is that for school, for that, if you are missing your school, we teachers are here to help you and making the videos so that your studies won't be lacking anymore. For that, we need your help too. For that, what you can do, you have to be ready with for some stuff, that is your notebook, your sharpened pencil, as well as your eraser. Now question will be coming in your mind that how we are going to get notebooks, because we don't have notebooks. Yes, I know you don't have notebooks for your new class, but old class notebooks are there with you now. You can use that notebooks. You use those notebooks, your FC books, and start writing in those FC books and notebooks. You use that so that when you will come to school, you will be aware and your studies won't be lacking. You will pick up the pace and you will be updated. So here I am Vasvi teacher and I'll be your English teacher in class 3rd. First of all, I would like to welcome you all in class 3. Now I am telling you something about your chapter first. Now class 3 is big class and study level is also higher, so you have to be much attentive in that class. So it's okay, no problem. When we are studying together, there will be no problem. You just have to pay attention in class. And I am starting a new chapter, the chapter number 1, that is from your textbook. Name is Amachi's Amazing Machine. But before starting that chapter, I would like to ask you few questions. First question is, have you ever helped your parents in the kitchen or grandparents in the kitchen or in any work? There are so many work in household. In kitchen for preparing anything or setting the table, cleaning the home, anything. Okay, it's good to help your parents and grandparents in household chores. We should help and work together. So this is the story, Amachi's Amazing Machine. It's like there's the machine word is there, that means few machines would be there. Okay, can you tell me what is Amachi? Anybody, anyone? Okay, I will tell you. Amachi is the term which is used for grandmother in Kerala. Okay, and this is a very interesting story about a grandmother and her grandson Suraj. That in this story, Suraj is asking her grandmother to prepare a sweet for him. It's a very interesting story. First of all, you be ready with your pencils, eraser and notebook. Okay, be ready. Take it out. Okay, now let's start the chapter. But before starting the chapter, I want to tell you about the sound of C. You heard the letter C? You know the letter C? Yes, obviously. You people are in class 3 now. You know letter C. But the letter C makes two sounds. Are you aware of that? Yes, it makes two sounds. Sound of sir and the sound of ka. But what we call them? The sound of sir is soft C sound and the sound of ka is hard C sound. Sir sound is called soft C sound and ka sound is called hard C sound. Now what words they make? Can you tell me any of the word which has the letter C and making the sound of S, soft C sound? Yes, think. Okay, I will tell you. There are many words which make S sound with the word C. These are receive, peace, dice, mice, nice, ice, spice, circus. So many words are there with soft C sound. So what is soft C sound? Which makes the sound of S. Now hard C sound. Hard C sound makes the sound of K. Yes. Now hard C sound makes the sound of K, in which words are like cat, car, carpet, corn, coin, cup, cut, cap, cage. So many words are there with hard C sound also. Okay, soft C sound also we have done, hard C sound also we have done. Let's recapitulate. What are the words which make soft C sound? These are receive and ice, mice, nice, peace, and yes, think, spice, circus, and so many other words are there which are having sound of soft C, and so many words are there which are having the sound of hard C, that is K. Soft C is S and hard C is K. So let us recapitulate the words which makes the sound of hard C. They are cup, cat, cage, corn, cut, cage, carpet. So many words are there. So now today you have learned the sounds of soft C as well as the sound of hard C. Now today I am giving you the vocabulary, the new words for you, that are burfi, prepared, machine, amazing, pulley. You know what is burfi? Oh, this is a kind of sweet which is available in market, as well as your mother or grandmother cook it at home also. It's square or circular, that is burfi. It's sweet and you can have it anytime, after your meal or before your meal. Prepared means to get ready. Machine, you know what are machines? Machines are the things which helps us complete our task in less time. Machines always helps humans to complete their task in less time. They work very fast, like any machine you can tell. Mobile phones, computers, ACs, fans, they all are machines. They are helping us. Now, amazing means too good, very good. Pulley, okay, pulley is a thing. Have you ever seen well? Have you ever pulled water from well? In a well, the rope is tied with a bucket and there is a pulley. That circular thing looks like a tire shape. That is a pulley through which, when we pull the rope, water comes out. It helps us take water easily. That is called pulley. Now these words will be coming in your this new chapter, Amachi's Amazing Machine. Okay, let's start the chapter. Are you all ready? Okay. Amachi, can we make coconut burfi today? asked Suraj to his grandmother. Who asked? Suraj. Suraj asked Amachi, can we make coconut burfi today? He, only if you help me make it, replied Amachi. Who replied? Amachi replied. What she replied? If you help me, then only we are going to make burfi. Then, yay, shouted Suraj. Suraj said, yes. Now, Suraj and Amachi went out in the garden where there were many coconut trees. Suraj and Amachi, where they went? They went into the garden where so many coconut trees were there. And what they did? They made an amazing machine to pick coconuts. What they did? They made an amazing machine to pick coconuts. Have you seen coconut trees? Coconut trees are too high. They are so heighted, no? How we are going to take coconuts from them? So for taking the coconuts from coconut trees, Suraj and Amachi made a machine. What happened then? They used Amachi's old saris and a pulley. What they did? They used Amachi's old sari and a pulley. Then Amachi put a helmet on her head. You know what is helmet? Helmet is a hard cap that protects the head. When we use that? While driving bike? Yes. Amachi put a helmet on her head and up on the swing she went. Ready, shouted Suraj. What they did? Amachi used her old saris and a pulley to make a machine, and on one side she sat on a swing leg, and Suraj was ready with the pulley thing. She was ready to pull. Ready, said Amachi. Swoosh went up Amachi on the swing as Suraj worked the pulley. What happened? Amachi sat on the swing and she went up, and Suraj was working on the pulley. He was pulling the sari which was tied with the pulley. Then what happened? We will only pick the ripe ones, okay? What she said, what Amachi said? We will only pick ripe coconuts. You know what are ripe coconuts? That means which are brown one. There are two types of coconut, ripe and raw. Have you ever went to Juhu beach or any beach? There they give you coconut water, na? That green coconut is raw, and the brown one which turned into brown, that is ripe coconut which has husk on it. The ones that are brown all over, watch out. The ones that are brown all over, that are ripe. Here they come, whoosh, wham, whoosh, come the coconuts rolling down the slide made of sari. What happened? The sari, that made of the pulley, that swing made of sari, on that the coconut round and round it came and come down onwards at the amazing husk remover machine. Now what happened? They got the coconuts with them. Now what they had to do? They had to clear all the husk around. Have you seen coconut? It has all the husk all over, right? It has so much of husk. To clean that husk, machines are used. As well as if we remove it at home, lots of effort is used, na? So what they did, onwards at the amazing husk remover machine. How to get the husk off patch crank? Now they used the machine and took the husk out. Suraj's stomach went, oh, Amachi giggled. Okay, when you are hungry, have you ever noticed the sound your stomach is making? That is really funny. And Suraj's stomach was making that sound, and Amachi giggled. Then what happened? Then we cracked the shell like this, khata. Then what happened? Amachi took the coconut in one hand and take the knife and do it like that, khata. And soon the coconut divided into two pieces. All the water came out and Suraj collected in a bowl. Then what happened? And then we grate the fruit. Amachi took out another amazing machine. Now what happened? Now they have cut, broke the coconut. Now they have to take the pulp out. For that, Amachi took out one more amazing machine. Have you ever seen coconut grater? Coconut grater you have seen at home. Amachi took out the coconut grater and gave it to Suraj. Round and round Suraj whirled the handle, and soon there was a mound of soft, fluffy, white grated coconut on the plate. He put it like that, coconut, and now he put the scraper thing in the middle of the coconut and keep on whirling the coconut grater. And what happened? Soon the mound of white coconut came on a plate, and soon there was a mound of soft fluffy coconut grated on the plate. Toss it into the pan with all other ingredients. Okay, now it's understood. Only coconut barfi cannot be made, so other ingredients are also needed. And what are the other ingredients? Any guess? What ingredient can be used in making barfi? Any guess? Yes, sugar. Sugar is very important to make it sweet. For any sweet, sugar is important. So what happened? Toss it into the pan with all the other ingredients. It smells so good, Amachi. And she put all the coconut in the kadai with a lot of sugar and ghee. What she added? What does Amachi added? She added lots of sugar as well as ghee in a kadai with coconut. And then what happened? Then we put all out on a tray. Then what happened? When it was cooked, she took it all on a tray. Wait for it to cool, Baba. Now, if Mama is cooking something really good, which is of your choice, burger, pizza, anything, it happens now, you cannot wait. Mama, give me fast, give me fast. That was only going on with Suraj also. He could not wait. Amachi said, let it cool, Baba. Then whatever, then we put all out on a tray. Wait for it cool, Baba. But Suraj could barely wait. Now cut it into neat little slices. Yippee! Our coconut barfi is ready to be eaten. Yum, yum, yum. Now what happened? She set it in the plate and cut it in small nice pieces. And after that, what Suraj said? Yippee! Coconut barfi is ready. He ate it and said, yum, yum, yum. It is very tasty. Now, how was the chapter? Nice, na? It was really nice chapter. And now you people also go in the kitchen with your parents and cook something amazing. Okay? Now, here we have done with the chapter. Now we are going to do the exercise. Now we will start the exercise. First question is word meanings, and first word is amazing. Amazing means, I just told you, amazing means very good or great. Now a wheel, what is it? Pulley. I told you pulley also. You have seen well. Got it? Yes. Pulley is a wheel over which a rope or chain is pulled in order to lift heavy objects. Helmet. What is helmet? Helmet also I told you. It's a hard cap which is put on head to take care, to protect one's head. Now husk. What is husk? The dry outer covering. Dry outer covering of any seed or food. And here, which food? About which food we have studied? Yes, about coconut. Its outer shell is hard and husk is there. Word. What is word? Word means turning around fast in circular form. Ingredients. You all know what are ingredients. Ingredients means the things which are used to prepare any dish. Like in coconut barfi, we use ingredients. Which ingredients we use? Sugar, coconut and ghee. Now, first question. How did Suraj and Amachi make the coconut picking machine? How did Suraj and Amachi make the coconut picking machine? What they use? They use Amachi's old sari and pulley to make the coconut picking machine. What they use? Suraj and Amachi use Amachi's old sari and a pulley to make coconut picking machine. How did Suraj help Amachi to climb the? How did Suraj help Amachi to climb the tree? How did Suraj help? Suraj worked the pulley and helped Amachi to climb the tree. Suraj was there na with the pulley. He was working with the pulley na. He helped like that. He worked on pulley to help Amachi climb the tree. Now, what ingredients were used to make coconut barfi? We have just discussed what ingredients were used to make coconut barfi. The ingredients were, what ingredients were there? Sugar, ghee, and most important thing was that coconut. Yes, right. Now there are few wrong statements given there and you have to correct. This is the question number 2. Amachi and Suraj brought the coconut from the market. Is it right? No, it's not right. We have to correct it. What should be the correction? Amachi and Suraj picked the coconut from the garden. They never went to the market. They got it from the garden. Okay, next question is, Suraj climbed the coconut tree. No. Who climbed? Amachi. Amachi climbed the coconut tree. They took off the husk of the coconut by hand. No. Then what they used? They took the help of coconut husk removing machine. They pick out the husk by using husk removing machine. Now next is, Amachi made balls out of the coconut mixture. Did Amachi make balls out of the coconut mixture? No, she made barfi. Amachi made slices. Amachi made slices out of the coconut mixture. Next is what? Value-based questions. Amachi was an active and smart grandmother. Do you agree? Give reasons for your answers. Do you think Amachi was a smart grandmother? Yes, I agree. Amachi had amazing machines for making coconut barfi. Now see, which made it easy and quick to make the barfi. She came up with the intelligent idea of using pulley to climb the coconut tree. What amazing idea did she use? She used an amazing idea to climb the coconut tree. Do you think it is fun to do things together with your family members? Is it fun to do things with your family members? Yes, it is fun. You do one thing with your family members, you cook anything, you serve, you make the table ready, you help in this way and you will feel really good. Just try it. It is a lot of fun to do things with family members. Last year during Diwali, all of us in our family together cleaned the whole house. My mother gave each of us jobs to do. Then we decorated the house with lights. Together I was very happy. See, now there is no need to take, there is no problem at all. Teacher will give you all the notes through the app. Okay, all the question answers, everything you will be getting through the app. Okay, one interesting thing I am showing you now. See, hard words we have done. Barfi, prepared, receive, machine, amazing, pulley, helmet, husk and right. We have done hard C sound and soft C sound. Can anybody tell me what hard C sound is? Hard C, which sound hard C make? Ka sound. That is, and the words from hard C are cat, cap, cage, cane, corn, carpet and so many other words are there. And what are the words from soft C sound? What words does soft C sound make? They are receive, peace, nice, mice, ice and so many other words are there. So today your task is find 5 more new words making the soft C sound as well as hard C sound. Okay, can anybody tell me what it is? Can you see this? This is a pulley which helps pull the water from the well. This is pulley. And what is this? We use this in this chapter only. This is coconut scraper, coconut grater. See how that lady put this. She folded the coconut like this, and she put the machine over there and start whirling it, and grated coconut is coming out. And what is this? This is husk removing machine. This machine is used to remove the husk from the outer shell of the coconut. See, they are putting the coconuts from here and the husk is removed and coconuts are coming from this side without the husk. Nice, na? Okay, so today we have done lots and lots of things. If I have shown you so many pictures also of pulley as well as coconut grater and husk removing machines. So today you ask your parents to show these images on their computer or in their mobile phones. ठीक है? Pictures of what? Husk removing machine, coconut grater, as well as one more thing is there. What it is? Yes? Any guess? Pulley. Okay? So thank you children for being with me in the class and pay attention. Take good care of yourself and good night.